छोटे पैसों वाली बड़ी शॉपिंग होगी और भी बड़ी मीशो महा इंडियन प्राइस ड्रॉप सेल में इसी अगस्त 12 को मीशो।
Okay, so the heading is calling your friend for homework. Calling your friend for homework. The condition is one day you didn't go to coaching. एक दिन आप कोचिंग नहीं गए and night time और evening time, okay, रात को या शाम को आपने आपके दोस्त को कॉल किया कि होमवर्क क्या था, okay, होमवर्क क्या था. Scenario और condition इसके लिए ना. Yes, what's the condition? One day you didn't go to coaching. You didn't go to school, you didn't go to college or whatever, okay? That evening time you are calling your friend for confirming the homework. Homework पता करने के लिए या confirm करने के लिए आप कॉल कर रहे हो. So again, two characters are there. The first character is John. Second
Lita.
character is
Lita.
So John was absent. John was absent. In this script, in this scenario, John was absent, and inside of bracket means John is calling. John is calling. So for the first time, John, there is no dialogue for John. He is only calling. So John is calling. Lita. Received the call. Call means phone करना. So John is calling. John call कर रहा है, and Lita is the receiver. Receiver means जो call attend करता है, जो call attend करता है या करती है, that's called the receiver. So John is the caller, जो call करने वाला, and Lita is the receiver. So John called, Lita received the call. Hello, who is this? Hello, कौन? Simply भी जैसे ना hello कौन? So hello, who is this? Hello कौन? Hello, who is this? योगेश, hello कौन?
Hello,
Who is this? Hello, who is this? शिवा, hello कौन? Hello, who is this? गुंजन, hello कौन? Hello, who is this? जनक, hello कौन? Hello, who is this? Then John will reply, John here. मैं John बात कर रहा हूँ, so John here. Okay? John here means मैं John बात कर रहा हूँ.
अगर गुंजन बात कर रही है तो गुंजन.
So John, हाँ, गुंजन here, जनक here, शिफा here, योगेश here. Like whoever is calling, जो भी call कर रहा है, that person will mention his or her name. Like John here. मैं John हूँ. Then Lita, hey John, what's up? What's up means क्या हालचाल है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हाल है. Simply, what's up means क्या हाल है. Okay, what's up means क्या हाल है. Hey John, what's up? Okay, who's saying this? Lita is saying, hey John, what's up? Hey John, क्या हाल है. Just like हालचाल पूछना. So what's up? Okay, so Lita is asking, hey John, what's up? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gunjan, you have to say to Shifa, hey Shifa, क्या हाल है? What's up? Okay, now Shifa, you say this to Chanak.
Hey Chanak, what's up?
Okay, now Chanak, you ask this to Yogesh.
Hey Yogesh, what's up?
Okay, now Yogesh, you ask this to Gunjan. You ask the same question to Gunjan, कि Gunjan क्या हाल है?
Hey Gunjan, what's up?
What's
Up.
What's up? Okay, what's up? So now the reply, okay, the reply will say nothing much. कुछ खास नहीं. Nothing much. कुछ खास नहीं.
Nothing much.
Nothing much. Well, did you go to coaching study?
Still nothing much.
No, just now this body practice don't say the same thing now. What's up? So the reply है कुछ खास नहीं. So nothing much. Okay, कुछ खास नहीं. Nothing much. Well means अच्छा क्या कल तुम कोचिंग गए थे? So what's the meaning of this well?
अच्छा.
like normally we say ना अच्छा क्या कल तुम कोचिंग गए थे? So is that well? ये वो वाला अच्छा, okay? So well Did you go to coaching study? Uses of did is clear ना? किसी ने किसी काम को किया and interrogative sentence. So did you go to coaching study? What's the meaning? क्या कल तुम कोचिंग गए थे? और क्या
गए सर
तुम
गए थे नहीं आ सकता ना
why थे नहीं आ सकता?
या की मात्रा आ गई
हाँ
या की मात्रा आ गई
हाँ that's okay. Did you go to coaching means did you go to coaching study means क्या कल तुम कोचिंग गए या कल तुम कोचिंग गए थे? Okay. Then Linda is saying yeah means हाँ but means लेकिन. What's the meaning of but means लेकिन. But why means
क्या
why
क्यों
why didn't you come to coaching study? तुम कल कोचिंग
क्यों नहीं
where's that come means
नहीं
I. So why didn't you come to coaching study? तुम कल कोचिंग क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come to coaching study?
तुम कोचिंग क्यों नहीं आए
तुम कल कोचिंग क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come to college study? तुम कल कॉलेज क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come to park study?
तुम कल पार्क क्यों नहीं आए
तुम कल पार्क क्यों नहीं आए? So this meaning is clear now?
Why
Yeah, हाँ, but why didn't you come to coaching study? हाँ, पर तुम कल कोचिंग क्यों नहीं आए? This one is clear?
Yes sir
Okay. So John is replying actually means असल में I had some urgent work. I had some urgent work means मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम था. I had some urgent work means मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम था. Is this clear?
Yes.
मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम था in English. I had था
some
urgent work. शिफा मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम था in English.
Actually, I had some urgent work.
Urgent work. चले. और मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम था.
या I
जैसे वाली मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम था.
but
Where's I word? I had
some urgent work
मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम था. I had some urgent work. जो कि मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम था.
I had some urgent work
I had some urgent work. So means इसलिए. So means so I couldn't means कोई किसी काम को नहीं कर सका. कोई किसी काम को नहीं कर सका. So I couldn't come study. इसलिए कल मैं नहीं आ सका. So I couldn't come study. इसलिए कल मैं नहीं आ सका. So इसलिए कल मैं नहीं आ सका. So I couldn't come study. Okay? इसलिए कल मैं नहीं आ सका. योगेश. इसलिए कल मैं नहीं आ सका.
so I
couldn't
Sir, could not be बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ could not but just short form की abbreviated form is couldn't.
study
So I okay if you have problem in just pronouncing correct so you can say could not. So I could not come study. In place of couldn't you can say could not. So I could not come study. इसलिए कल मैं नहीं आ सका. So I could not come study. Is this clear? Sure. Okay then. Well, what's the homework? Well, what's the homework? Again, the meaning of this well means अच्छा. What's the homework? What's the homework means? Homework क्या है? Homework क्या है? So then the receiver, I mean whoever receives the call, she is replying. The homework is dash dash and dash. Homework ये है और ये है. Now whatever the
ये
homework.
ये तो करेंगे क्यों क्या?
English
I
Hindi
mean,
English
the homework
Sir, Hindi
is
English,
like
English.
you will have to write down 10 sentences, then you have to write down daily routine, and then you have to revise the conversation. Whatever the homework is, जो भी homework हो, you have to mention that homework. For example, if the topic is related to school, so the homework is you will have to just learn lesson 1 question answer. You have to solve chapter 2 math questions. then whatever science chapter 3 question answers or whatever. Whatever the homework is, you have to mention that here. Okay? All the meanings are clear? Again, let's discuss for once. The condition is clear. What's the condition? One student was absent. One student didn't go to school or didn't go to college or coaching. So evening time, he or she is calling his friend or her friend for confirming the homework. क्या पता करने के लिए कॉल किया है? Confirming the homework. Homework पता करने के लिए. So the absent student, the who was absent, he is calling. Then another student is the call. Hello call. So hello call. Hello.
Call.
Yeah, hello call. Hello. Who is this? Hello. Who is this? Hello.
Who is this?
Who is this? So then another person is saying John here. Okay, John here. Hello, who is this? So John here. John here. Hey John, what's up? Hey John, what's up means?
तुम कैसे हो?
Hey John, क्या हाल है? Hey John, क्या हाल है? So hey John, what's up? Nothing much.
Nothing much. Well.
Nothing much. Well.
Where
Why?
do you go?
It's like nothing much. Then pause for 1 second. Okay, nothing much. Well, did you go to coaching study? क्या कल तुम coaching गए थे? Did you go to? क्या कल तुम coaching गए थे? So did you go to coaching study? हाँ means हाँ. So हाँ means yeah. पर तुम coaching क्यों नहीं गए थे? या तुम coaching क्यों नहीं आए थे? But why didn't you come to coaching study? तुम कल coaching क्यों नहीं आए थे? But लेकिन means लेकिन कल तुम कोचिंग क्यों नहीं आए थे? Why didn't you come to coaching study? Is this clear? तुम कल कोचिंग क्यों नहीं आए थे शिफा? तुम कल कोचिंग क्यों नहीं आए थे? हाँ, so you just tell me, I mean, how to say this in English? तुम कल कोचिंग क्यों नहीं आए थे?
Yeah, but why don't you?
Why?
Why don't you come?
Why?
Why didn't you come to coaching yesterday?
Why did you come to coaching study? Actually means असल में. So actually मुझे कुछ urgent काम था. So actually I had some urgent work. असल में मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम था. So actually I had some urgent work. So I could not come to coaching study. Could not or couldn't. So I could not come to coaching study, or so I couldn't come to coaching study. Actually मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम था, इसलिए so means इसलिए मैं कल कोचिंग नहीं आ सका. Okay? इसलिए मैं कल कोचिंग नहीं आ सका. Well, what's the homework? अच्छा homework क्या है? So अच्छा homework क्या है? Well, what's the homework? Is this clear? Homework क्या है? Well, what's the homework? Then the reply is saying the homework is dash is whatever the homework is. Okay, like science, math, physics, whatever the homework you got, that's it. Okay, so all the meanings are clear. When all the meanings are clear, before we start writing this thing for once,
Yes, sir.
there's no doubt, no question, no confusion. Everything is clear. Shifa,
Yes, sir.
all meanings.
All.
Gunjan, Yogesh, fully clear. Okay, now just
This topic.
yeah, Shifa. Yeah, just note down now. Just finish writing down first. Yeah, just write down.
Sir, heading.
Okay, let's heading. Calling friend. Calling your friend. Calling your friend. Calling your friend for homework. Calling your friend for homework. What's the meaning of this? अपने दोस्त को कॉल करना किसके लिए? For homework. Calling your friend for homework.